Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the Airbag Module, Airbag Light fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox. That generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, now, before we start, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Do not attempt anything. This is not a how-to video. This is for entertaining purposes only because you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, even if you're just checking a fuse, guys. Now, quick advice for any of you, quick reminder, guys, that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems. You need to know that you need to disconnect the battery terminal for at least 1 hour before working on airbag systems, even checking a fuse. And you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. That way, guys, okay, don't cause damage to modules, computers that can cause even the airbag system to malfunction. We'll have more about that in the description of the video below if you need help with it. Now, if you need to buy, guys, any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So for the Airbag Module, Airbag Light, guys, we'll show you which fuses and relays we check here. Again, this is for entertaining purposes only, guys. What we need to do now, quick advice. There will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that most owners do not know where they're located. 9 out of 10 owners. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location Diagram. Check it out, guys. We need to open here the passenger door, and when you do that, guys, you're going to come in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the side of the center console. Here you see you have that cover. Go ahead and pry that cover open. Underneath, guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, the fuse that we need to check, let's explain. We're going to check 3 different fuses today. Now, all those are for the airbag system, where they're located. Okay, we're talking about again, this is for entertaining purposes only, guys, talking about fuse number 22. That's the first fuse that we need to check right here. The next one that you want to check is fuse number 35. So that's fuse number 30. 1 2 3 4 5 35 right here will need to be checked, guys. Next we have one more that we need to check, and that's fuse number 38. We're talking about that 5M fuse right here. You don't have relays. The relay function practically it's controlled by the Airbag Module, guys, so you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will need to check. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.